Welcome. This video is a quick troubleshooting guide for most commonly occurring MagicOS 9 bugs. So the first bug I want to review is the UI glitches like flickering or freezing. If you experience them, try restarting your phone first. To do that, press the power button and the volume up key at the same time and select restart. Then confirm and then wait until your device is restarted. This simple step often resolves temporary issues. As for the app-specific problems like lag or crashes in TikTok or other applications, you have to go to Settings, then open the Apps menu right here, and then go to the problematic app. First open Manage Apps and go to the problematic app, and once you enter it, go to Storage and select Clear Cache. This clears temporary data without affecting your personal content. If lags persist, you can also force stop the application by tapping force stop and confirming, and then trying to restart it. And another tip is to keep all apps and the system updated. To do that, go to Settings, make sure that you either have a Wi-Fi or a mobile network connection. Scroll all the way down this list, go to System and Updates, Software Update, and check if you have any updates to download and install. If you do have any updates, make sure to keep your device updated in time. Now, if issues on your phone persist, you can go to the Reset menu in the same System and Updates section, and then select Reset All Settings. Then confirm your choice and draw unlock pattern or password to confirm. Reset all settings, and once you reset all settings, you're gonna have to reconnect to your Wi-Fi and repair your Bluetooth devices to your phone, and maybe also adjust brightness and change some other settings that were set properly on your phone, but still it's basically a full reset without removing any personal data from your device, and this solves most commonly occurring issues on your phone. So that's basically it for this video. We value user feedback and continually work to improve our videos quality. I hope that you liked this one, and if you did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.